So guys, today I'm going to install the JB Plus into my engine bay, and I'm going to show you step by step how to do it. Okay, first things first, let's pop the hood. Now with the hood popped and all the doors closed, we'll go ahead and lock the car. And now we have to wait 5 minutes in order for the ECU to go to sleep. I'm going to remove the engine cover. Beautiful engine. So basically we're going to be accessing this area here. So we're going to install the JB Plus box here. So just put this in the shade over here. Oh, coincidentally, this is where you connect your battery. There's the positive terminal back here, and here's the ground. But anyway, and now we'll wait 5 minutes. Okay guys, so it's been 5 minutes, and let's remove the sensor. I brought a screwdriver with me in case it makes it easier. And it clicked. Okay, so I struggled with it previously. I'm gonna try it again. Clip is loose, as in the that white part, but it's, no matter how much I press on it, I think the point of that is to lift the black clip over those little, must be like these little teeth, and it should release from those, and I don't think it is. So I try and use this little screwdriver. Okay, so the way I did it is I used the little screwdriver and I put it here, and I pushed it down with the screwdriver because with my fingers it just wasn't putting enough pressure, and eventually it lifted off. So basically you have to lift it above this little tooth here. This little tooth here, and yeah, it's off. So clearly there's only one way to install it. Basically mirror there's a little guide inside, and it won't let you connect it unless you connect it into this groove here. There's a little groove. There you go, click. And I guess it'll be the same in there. Yep, there's a little groove here and a little guide there. There you go, that's clicked. That's clicked, so it's 2 clicks, one inside, one with the and this is not dangling. I'm not sure if it was supposed to be dangling here, but yeah, I guess that's the complete installation. Let's see how it looks when we put the cover on. That's secure. Let's see. Oh, something here isn't sitting in the right spot. Yes, it is. It's not lifting. It's not lifting. It's not lifting. It's not lifting. Okay, let's test it. Let's start the engine up for the first time. Plus is in the default setting, which I think, I don't know how many PSI of extra boost it gives. Okay, so gentle driving is about the same as always. Nothing especially different to report. Oh, what a shame this guy's taking up the fast lane. But, yeah, I think it's warmed up enough. Let's put it to Sport Plus, gearbox in Sport, and let's see what we can do. Maybe the AC is taking away a little bit of horsepower, maybe. But I think it's a very small amount in any case. Here we go, mate. Thanks. Okay, so gently applied throttle there, and I do feel that it was slightly more, that accelerated slightly more. I didn't press the pedal down at all, it was just nudged the pedal, just touched the pedal lightly, and I feel as if it did move a little bit faster than it would have. Of course, I am in Sport Plus, and the gearbox is in Sport. It's about as sporty as it gets at the moment. Let's go back and see. It's interesting. I'm not feeling as if the car has completely changed or anything like that. I've seen some people do YouTube videos where they install these and they're raving about them, and they're, you know, can't believe how amazing they are and blah blah blah. But I don't personally. So let's do an acceleration from here and see if there's any difference. Let's see how the limited slip diff handles this as well. Yeah, I think the JB Plus overwhelmed my tires there. I think the run flats just can't handle this. If they couldn't handle the power before, they certainly can't handle the power now. But having said that, I think it'll add a bit more drama. So yeah, the JB Plus shouldn't work at its best straight away. I think the car needs to get used to having it. I think it'll eventually, the benefits will maximize later on, and I don't know if there are any benefits right now until I do some launches with the draggy box and see if it improved. But for the time being, I don't feel a lot of difference. Oh shit, I do feel a lot of difference. God damn, I take that back. God damn, man. God damn. No. There is a difference. It's 100% a difference. Man, I can't wait to bring the draggy box. I can't wait to bring the draggy box. God damn. If the JB Plus is like this, I wonder what Blue Spark is like. I'm sure the Blue Spark is even better.